guys, welcome back to the channel. Here we have another awesome VEVOR product. Links down below in the description. So in this box, I'm sure you saw the screen cap, but you know, it's the ramps. I just wanted to show you how stuff comes because some people find that interesting. Something I find interesting, there's a really sweet footprint here from someone at FedEx. So you gotta love that. But anyways, let's go ahead and open this up and we'll show you what they look like. I haven't looked at them yet. Most everything I do live, so to speak. So it's not staged like some people do. Oh yeah. It'll work great because I'll probably have another video up. I've got a trailer that I built. Let me just cut the rest of this box side open and get it out. But got a trailer that I modified from a travel trailer frame, and I need some ramps for it. So I got these. Looks like I need to get a better knife. Oh yeah, these are sweet. Okay, so they're taped together. Let's break them apart. This is obviously the bottom. You can see the angle here. And is that side in your view? It is. It's got the kind of the hooks. So I'm going to have to make a mount like that for my trailer because it's obviously never been set up for ramps since it was built new. But I'm pretty excited to not have to build my own set of ramps. And for what these cost, you really can't unless you get everything for free and your labor isn't worth anything. They're not too heavy. If I built some out of steel, they would feel heavy. But these are, I mean, easy one-handed. So these are 6 feet by, is it 14, I believe? It'll have the information down below there. Should easily haul my tractor, haul cars. You guys can see how that end is. You guys can see how that end will sit on the ground. So that's pretty much it for unboxing stuff. So what we're gonna do now, like I said, I'm gonna have to make a hook of some sort to mount these onto my trailer so I can use them. Let me get my tape measure out and I'll measure that for you. All right, so this hook piece here hangs down 1 inch. Now you guys probably can't see that super well, but it hangs down 1 inch and you've got about 1 inch of space. So it's a 1 inch angle iron is what they used on the end here. So we're gonna have to make a little something for that to fall down into. Should be a piece of cake. Let me just tape measure the specs on these. So again, almost 15 inches, 14 7/8 wide, and then length, I get 6 feet exactly. And they're 5.5 inches in between. This is some really cool tube here. It's like a 4 3/4 by 2 3/8 kind of rectangular tube. Pretty nice stuff. These things look great. I'm really stoked on how lightweight they are because the ones I was going to build myself that I had planned out were going to be pretty heavy. So again, let me get the mounts welded on my trailer and we'll put these to use and we'll finish off this review. So to make a mount on the back, what I did is I took some 1/2 inch square stock, and then I took a 1 1/4 inch piece of flat bar, 1/4 inch by 1/4 flat bar. So the lip on this is 1 inch by 1 inch. So that fits in there at an angle. Make sure you know, you guys, it leaves about a 3/4 inch lip on the back, so it leaves some extra for if you're on an angle. I just painted it, otherwise I'd stick it in there. I'll do it later, but I just kind of put this together, so I was kind of stoked about it. Gotta love how light these things are. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see how they work. stoked about that, I'm not gonna lie. Notches worked out perfectly. I'll admit it's a little unnerving the first time because I did so much work to that trailer. You'll see that in another video. And you know, just putting the new mounts on for the ramps. New to me ramps, even though they're rated for way more than what this tractor weighs. This tractor I think only weighs like 2,900 pounds or something, or 3,500 because I had the rear tires filled. So I'm pretty stoked about that. That worked out fantastic. It's gonna be nice to have the option of using my own trailer to haul this thing around instead of having to borrow one all the time. All right, well, those ramps are a win, guys. If you're interested in them, links down below in the description. This is absolutely perfect for what I need. I made this rear mount so I can get it narrow to haul four-wheelers, or I can get it wide enough to haul my tractor, which fits right between the wheel wells, just perfectly. Super excited. So like, comment, subscribe, check out the links down below, and we'll catch you in the next one. Appreciate you guys watching this.